Itaewon is international. Another nightlife is Ontai is younger nightlife of Korean. Alright, let's check out more. Nice. I'm going to hang out in Itaewon Nightlife. Tomorrow is on diet. Let's check out. It's very mixed. We continue checking out in other places and more places. All right, nice. That's all. Okay, let's check out here. I want to go inside. Maybe I can grab some cocktail here. Let's see that. Alright, so I enjoyed it. Just fun. Like it up. DJ. Wraps up 40. So yeah, that's it. Hang out here more. I just came across here. There are cars over there.